kindergarten, let's practice telling time on our analog clock today. So please check out this time. What time is this? This is 8 o'clock. I know that because my short hour hand is pointing to the 8 and my long minute hand is pointing up to the 12, which means o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. All right, kindergarten, let's do another one. What time is it now? What time is it now, kindergarten? My short hour hand is pointing up at the 12, and my long minute hand is also pointing up at the 12. So this means that it is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Let's do just a couple more, and then we can do some time bingo, kindergarten. What time is this? This is 4 o'clock. Our short hour hand is pointing to the 4, and our long minute hand is pointing up to the 12, which means o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. Let's do one more, kindergarten. What time is this? This is 6 o'clock. That short hand is pointing to the 6, our hour hand, and our minute hand is pointing up to the 12, which means o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Kindergarten, I need you to make sure that you have your bingo card. Your bingo card should have a whole bunch of different clocks on it, different little analog clocks like this one right here. I have some different times inside my mug. I'm going to pull out a time. You can either take like a penny, like a handful of coins, pennies, or maybe like some cereal. You could use that too, or jelly beans if you have any jelly beans left over. Put them on the times on your card that I'm calling out, okay? The first time that you get, I think it's 5 maybe, in a row across or up and down or diagonal, that means that you get a bingo, okay? I'm only going to say each time one time, and I know that you have like maybe 2 12 o'clocks on that card. Only cover one at a time, okay? I'll only call each time once. That way you can play with a grown-up or another kid in your house later. Okay, do you have your bingo card? Do you have something to cover up the times like jelly beans or coins or cereal? Let's get started. The first time I'm going to call is 11 o'clock. Do you have 11 o'clock on an analog clock on your bingo card? 11 o'clock. Are you ready for your next one? Your next one says 8 o'clock. Can you find 8 o'clock on your bingo card? 8 o'clock. Here's your next one. 3 o'clock. See if you can find 3 o'clock on your card. When you play this game at home, your grown-up can take the cards, put them back down inside in the hat, the bowl, the cup, whatever, and then they can pull them out, and they can pull them out more than once since you have some of these times more than once. Your next one is 12 o'clock. Can you find 12 o'clock on your analog clocks? 12 o'clock. Your next time today, oh, I dropped it. There we go, I have it now, is 2 o'clock. Can you find 2 o'clock on your bingo card? 2 o'clock. Your next time today, kindergarten, is, I have a whole bunch stuck together. 10 o'clock. Can you find 10 o'clock on your bingo card? 10 o'clock. Your next time is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. I have a meeting today at 1 o'clock. Your next time, kindergarten, is 9 o'clock. Hey, that's my bedtime. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay, your next time is 4 o'clock. Do you have 4 o'clock anywhere on your bingo sheet? Has anyone gotten bingo yet? Have you gotten bingo yet? Keep going. If you've gotten bingo, let's keep going. Let's see if we can fill up this whole card, or as much of it as we can. Your next time today is 6 o'clock. Do you have 6 o'clock anywhere on your bingo sheet? Let's see what your next time is. 7 o'clock. Do you have 7 o'clock on your bingo sheet? 7 o'clock. Your last time today, kindergarten, is 5 o'clock. Can you find 5 o'clock on your bingo sheet? Kindergarten, if you got a bingo, make sure you yell out bingo! And if you are all done playing with me, if you were using cereal or jelly beans, make sure that your hands were clean first. Make sure that you were using a clean piece of paper, and then you can eat them up. That would be awesome. You can play this game at your house, kindergarten. All I did was I printed out all of our little bingo sheet cards, the little calling cards. I put them inside this really cool Harry Potter mug that I have, and then I just pulled them out. Like I said, you can play this game with your grown-up at home. They can pull out the card and read it. 10 o'clock. Then you have to find 10 o'clock on your bingo sheet. Then they can take the card and put it back in, since you might have that time more than once on your card. Kindergarten, you are doing a great job telling time right now. Keep up the good work. I will give you a warm fuzzy next time that I see you.